Yes, thank you. My name is Garrett Quinn, and I'm from a company called Nilan.
Okay, so tell me what Nilan do. Who are they? What are they manufacturing? How are they working towards net zero?
Well, Nilan have been on the go for 50 years, innovating around ventilation and heat pump technology, in which they've successfully combined both into one box for domestic and commercial applications.
That's quite cool hitting two markets at once. Usually people just focus on one or the other. How are you managing that? Is it quite tricky?
It's bedded in Pacify's philosophy over this last 20 years. So we start with the fabric, and it's fabric first is the approach to mechanical. So by getting heat load down and getting overheating under control and hot water generation, we're able to do that with the ventilation system and a heat pump integrated.
That's pretty cool. What are some of the big wins that you've had then working at Nylan and I guess distribution wise of your project?
Yeah, well, I mean, Scotland is still to get there. We're taking a lot of our influence from the Republic of Ireland in Northern Ireland, where we're from, and taking it across the water here to get the Nyland brand established. So we can see the trends, how it's gone over the last 20 years in the Republic, and we're repeating this here in Scotland.
You're quite hopeful for the future then because you've had a track record that's proven working towards net zero actually isn't impossible at all. And in fact, it's very doable and it's comfortable for the people that are doing it. It's not a massive obstruction into your life.
Yeah, exactly. And the Nylon philosophy is keeping it simple. So by taking everything back to basics in one box is a much easier sell. So we want people to understand how the fabric of the building works, and then we can complement it with this bit of mechanical, and the package works then.
Can you tell us a little bit about why you've gotten involved with the Net Zero Club and why you're here at the conference today in Scotland? What are you hoping to get out of the day?
Well, from a personal level, we all have our bit to do. And I'm just lucky that I can use my professional life within that to achieve those goals.
That's pretty cool. Okay, and if you could give somebody who wants to be more sustainable, perhaps even wants to go to net zero, but they're just not sure where to begin, it's so confusing. If you could give them a bit of advice, what advice would that be?
Just be energy conscious. You know, energy is the beating heart to everything we do, be it transport, be it heating, your hot water. Just remembering those things and not leaving things running is going to help do your bit, because we can't all afford to make a major step change in the way we live our lives, but we can all do a little bit, and that'll help it in the long run.